My husband needs constant reassurance. My name is Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. You know, first of all, men tend to be very sensitive. And maybe he needs constant reassurance. So I have to ask you, why not give it to him? Why would you hold back? Why should that bother you? Maybe you're not giving him enough messages that's telling him that you love him unconditionally. Maybe you're the one holding back and he is feeling uncomfortable. You promised to love him, to support him, to be there for him. Remember, in sickness and health and all of that? If he needs reassurance, see it as medication and give it to him. Learn more about marriage. It's free to subscribe to the channel and learn a lot about men, your husband, and about marriage. Or you could get one of my books. It's not expensive. It's an easy way to deal with this. But chances are, just by this kind of complaint means you don't understand marriage well enough. Do you remember that you got married in order to be happier every single day of your life? You got married to experience unconditional love. And so did your husband. You can make this happen. You could turn this around completely. Marriage is meant to be the most amazing thing you ever do in your life. And you do it for the rest of your life. So why not get good at it? Blessings to you. Blessings to your husband and your family. And write in if you'd like. Leave a comment. We're here for you at the Marriage Foundation. All right, take care.